I just wanted to share with you some of our resources available related to cell biology. The first is our basic microscopes. We have over 20 microscopes available for loan. What we typically do is loan you enough so that your students can pair up and each have a microscope between two of them. So we rarely would send more than 13 or 14 per classroom. We have some that are with cords. We also have some that are battery operated, so if your classroom does not have a lot of electrical outlets, you're in luck. We have something just for you too. Along with the microscopes themselves, we have several different slide sets. We have some human anatomy slide sets that were donated by the medical school. If you're looking more for cell biology, we actually have everything you can see on here. It's a 50 slide set. And there's some that will be directly related to cell biology, some that won't. So if you would rather, you can also just request certain slides. You don't have to get the entire set. Either way, that's available. And again, we would send enough so that each student could share with a partner. A new resource we're super excited about is a cell mitosis model. So as you can see, they're like a 3D model. We have 9 of them, each of the different phases of cell mitosis. They're labeled. I don't know if you can see the little letters there. Then there's a little answer key that comes with it so the kids can understand what that letter corresponds to. Another nice feature is that on the back, they're labeled so you can tell what phase it is. So it'd be really good for quizzing the kids or quizzing themselves. They could even do that. You could probably even use them for a test. And another thing is they are available in the cell meiosis version also. We have one set of each of those, so if you got them, it would be one set of 9 for your entire classroom. Probably our most requested item related to cell biology would be the 3D plant cell, you can see it here in green, and the 3D animal cell. Because they're 3D, that means the students can take the pieces in and out of the cell, which is a really great way to learn, a little hands-on learning. And we also have some great booklets that come with them, little guidebooks. There's one for the plant cells. As you can see, it reminds the students what all the different parts are, how they're labeled. This particular one talks about mitosis in the plant cell, and then it has a little description of each part within the cell and its function. So it's a really, really handy resource. And I don't want to forget about our microslide viewers. They are a great little resource. They look like a microscope, but they're really virtually unbreakable, so that makes them a great option if you're doing this kind of study maybe with late elementary or middle schoolers. You're certainly welcome to borrow the microscope, but this is a nice option as well. Every student gets a slide. We have quite a few microslide viewers, but the sets come in 10. So usually what we do is we send 10 of the packets and then 10 of the microslide viewers. So you'll have to have your kids partner up or maybe even a group of 3. We have different sets. There's the cells of plants and animals, there's plant mitosis, and there's also an animal mitosis. What's nice about these is every student is literally seeing the same cell when they're looking through the viewer. The other nice thing is some of them, almost all of them, come with a teacher's guide. There's a few that don't have the teacher's guide, but they all come with student worksheets that you can reproduce and share with your class. So this is another great resource. It looks kind of simple, but we've had great success with them in a lot of different classrooms.